guys, welcome back to another trailer video.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be a quiet episode, and I'm playing in different space as you can see.
But the room's
Probably gonna be kind of a quiet video this time.
That looks like he's in a fucking circus riding that thing.
yeah.
On one of them bicycle tires.
Dad and brother debating.
You hear me, Harley?
Of course. Uh-oh. That's not
Space
good.
egg.
Space
Have
piggy.
you ever seen one of those, a one-seater bicycle?
Yeah,
One tire?
cookies.
That's what that thing looks like.
Oh, he's dead. Gotta bounce, 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 bounce. Dead.
No. Oh.
Bing, 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 bing. Boom. Killed him.
Got him.
Yeah.
Break yet?
Shut up, Harley.
I'm waiting for it to snap apart and break.
Why?
It sounds like it is already.
Shaky. That's all. Oh, that's easy.
Die.
As long as you move those rocks,
Let
you're
it
gonna
harden
be
for
fine.
24 hours.
Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, didn't even kill him.
Nothing I can do about
Come
it.
on.
Rah.
Come
You
on.
suck, Trevor.
Dead.
Hoping to have a little bit of extra air and leash until I can go get the other window latch. This time I'm going to buy two if I can. Find two. Buy two. That way I have a spare in case one breaks.
You suck at this game, Trevor.
No, I don't.
He sucks at this game.
I kind of do.
Not kinda, you really do. I could have beat that level with one shot. With one try.
Oh, did I really break a rock? Oh, dude.
Oh, but you got two piggies though. It's much.
Two piggies, two stones.
The roads are crap anymore. They're not good, half of them. So I'll probably get something, and that latch will just. I hope this ain't her texting me saying, "Oh, we changed our mind." It's Samantha. Do you need my address again?
I really suck at this level. Even though this is like the second level.
No more texting while I'm driving. Way too fucking dangerous. Way dangerous. I can't even do. How do people do this shit? Can't even fucking see the damn road.
Yes.
They drive with one hand.
Well, you have to look at the screens. I can't. Or hand it to Harley.
He can't read.
Here.
Are you crazy?
I can't do
You
it
can't
right.
read nothing.
It's your girlfriend. It's too dangerous. People that do this shit now I know why they wreck and die.
Okay.
I have a photographic memory. I have a really damn good memory on shit. Any more?
Popcorn.
I think all the
What?
vitamins and shit that I take and stuff, my memory's pretty good.
Popcorn. Wait, what?
Made popcorn.
We're already almost there.
Right there.
They're going to be there early.
That was bad.
I left at 12. It's only going to take me 15 or 20 minutes to get here.
You suck, Trevor.
Hey, they're not all dead yet, though.
And you're out of birds.
That really did suck.
You suck.
You suck.
You suck.
Look at this shit. We'll be there at 10. It's only taking me 15 or 20 minutes to get here.
Oh, that's skunk. Or that sewage pipe right there.
That's a skunk. Somebody ran it over. It's right there in the road. So when we go home, we're going to smell skunk gas.
Or it's that sewer pipe right there. Look.
Skunk.
The sewer pipe's open though.
No, look. If I turn, look, right here. It's right in the road right there.
I already saw it.
That is gross.
We drove through yesterday. Tell him. I almost puked. Tell him.
Yep. He almost puked.
Isn't that funny? I can smell baby shit
I
all
beat 'em.
day, but when I smell a skunk, it makes me vomit. I'm like,
Yeah, there
One
was a
star, you
skunk.
suck.
I always get
What are
one
those big
star.
red balls about?
You're a gee. Oh. Pop! Oh, come on. Oh, they're bouncy.
Boing. Big red bounce balls.
You are gay.
Popcorn.
Dead.
corn.
Oh, what else out of it?
Poofy corn.
Killed the piggies. Oh! Popcorn exploded.
You win.
I suck at Angry Birds.
How'd you fail?
I only got to level 4 and they all suck. Red Planet. I'll do you.
No, you suck, Trevor. You ain't gonna be able to get past level 10.
Yeah, I will.
By the way, this is sports. We're just red stuff.
Oh, God.
You should switch birds.
And we'll be here in just a few seconds. A few minutes will be here.
Seconds or minutes? Which is it?
About a couple minutes will be here. Because you have to brake on that turn. It's only a 5 to 10 mile an hour turn. And then up here, it's a 30 mile per hour turn. But right here, it's so sharp you slide right into the damn ravine if you don't slow down a little.
Hey, he really
My house is
hates
sexy,
me.
Trevor. Oh my god.
Killed them all with one bird. The bird is the word.
I could easily do that.
Shut up. The bird is the word.
Look at my big old window, Trevor. Look.
My brother is playing Minecraft like an idiot. I have Minecraft too.
Dude, what's that egg about?
My next video, guys, will be angry. Not
Oh, that
Angry
skeleton just died.
Birds. I'm gonna be playing Minecraft for my next one since I do have Minecraft Pocket Edition.
Trevor, look what I got. Look. Look what I made.
He has a fake version of Minecraft Pocket Edition.
You know what that is, Trevor?
You know, guys, I'm just gonna end this video
Thing goes
here.
in our backyard.
I suck at this. I'm just gonna end this video here, guys. Have fun, stay awesome, keep doing what you're doing.
Engage.